guys, my name is Shaaanelle with the 3 A's and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wax review. I wax myself. I do use hard wax for the most part. I do my legs, armpits, and Brazilian area, and then I also do my lip area, and sometimes I do my brows or whatever whenever I'm feeling like it. But yeah, I bought a hard wax. I'm all about supporting black businesses, so this just came up randomly on my Instagram feed. It was Pretty Girls Get Waxed. I'm not sure why it came up, it was just there. So I decided to click on it because I needed to buy some wax anyway. And I went ahead and made a purchase. So this is what I ended up getting from them. A bag of wax beads. You know, a lot of times on Instagram when you see waxing, they usually have a wax that's really pliable. You can put it on in large sections and then you can just rip it right off. So I was interested in buying some of that anyway, so I went ahead and made the purchase like I said. This bag cost $34. I didn't have to pay for shipping, so it was $34 even for 800 grams. I normally use this Clean and Easy wax. I get this from my local Sally's. This runs about $14 and they give you 396 grams. If I would have bought two of the Clean and Easy, it would have came out to about $30 for close to 800 grams. And I have 800 grams here from Pretty Girls Get Waxed for $34. So, and again, I didn't have to pay for shipping. I ordered it on a Tuesday and it came in on Friday. So it came in really quickly. There was no problems with ordering. It was all super simple and everything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna review the wax. The wax that I use, the Clean and Easy wax that I get from Sally's, this one is not very pliable. It doesn't work like Instagram wax works for sure. It works really good though. I really enjoy using this wax. It's easy for me to do my own Brazilian with this wax. And I normally just wax my my armpits, anything that I wax on my face, and then my Brazilian area with this wax. I don't do my legs because the wax gets hard pretty quickly. And you have to work in small sections, and I don't have the time to be sitting around trying to wax my legs for 5 hours. So instead, what I normally do is I buy a separate pot of wax for my legs, and I'm able to, I buy the soft wax that you use the strips with, and I'm able to just put on a whole bunch of soft wax on my leg and then just rip it off, you know, back to back. That way I'm not wasting time trying to wax my legs with this stripless wax. And then I feel like you would use up a lot of product as well trying to do it that way. So hopefully the goal is to do it like you see on Instagram, and hopefully to be able to use this stripless wax everywhere on my body. That way all I have to do is reorder this every time that I need to wax. We're gonna see how it works, and yeah, we're gonna use it, and we're gonna basically just compare it to the Clean and Easy wax that I already use. So this is the wax pot that I use. It's just the GG wax pot, and I only had a little bit of the acai berry Clean and Easy wax in here, just like literally a small amount. So instead of, because I don't have the stuff to clean my pot right now, instead of taking that pot out and putting it directly into my GG thing, which I don't think I want to do anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of these Pretty Girls Get Waxed wax beads right inside the pot with my Clean and Easy wax. This is what it looks like. It's very creamy. So I'm not any type of professional at all, by the way, just to let you guys know. This is just DIY stuff that I do at home myself, just like with my hair. But as you can see, I'm pretty hairy. I haven't waxed in a minute because it's the winter time and it's cold, so whatever. But I usually just take like a little wipe and I wipe out whatever, usually just deodorant that I'm wiping out. Wipe that out really quickly with a little wipey. and then let it dry. And then I take a little bit of baby powder and I just go ahead and lightly dust my armpit with it. It's very spreadable right now with the product that I put on there. I feel like it was very easy to spread on. It hardens quickly, which will save a lot of time, which is actually what she claims the wax is supposed to do. It's supposed to harden pretty quickly to save time. If you go on her Instagram, is the 7-minute wax, 7-minute Brazilian wax queen, I guess. I don't know. But if you go on her Instagram, you'll see what I'm talking about. And she also has a video where she talks about this wax and how it's supposed to work. So it's pretty much dry right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. It wasn't very painful. It got out pretty much as much hair as the other wax normally gets out for me. And yeah. It's like fully dry right now, like it's supposed to be. It's not sticking to my fingers or anything like that. And it is still fully pliable though, so I can still rip it off without it cracking, which is sometimes what happens with the Clean and Easy wax that I use. If you leave it on for too long, it will crack on you whenever you go to try to pull it off, and you'll have little glass pieces and you'll be trying to figure out how to get them off of your skin. But this one is still pretty pliable. So I did my other armpit, and so far I'm really enjoying this wax. Like, it's pretty good, y'all. I really like it. So now we're just gonna try it on my legs and see if we can really get off a large section with this wax, unlike with the Clean and Easy wax. Now that was like Instagram, y'all. That was the Instagram pull. It was like the perfect Instagram pull. I got almost all the hair in that area off. Okay, so my final thoughts on the wax. It's a good wax. Is it worth the $30 spent? $34 spent? Possibly, yes. Is it better than the Clean and Easy? I would say it's better than the Clean and Easy by maybe 2 points because of its spreadability and the fact that you can use it over a large area. Does it crack? I did notice that if you placed it too thinly on your on any area, that it would crack a little bit. I don't think that has anything to do with me putting it inside of the pot with the little bit of Clean and Easy wax. I think that's just the wax itself and just how it does. Again, I'm not a professional, so professionals are probably a lot more consistent with how they lay the wax down. But it's a good wax. Out of, on a scale of 1 to 5, I would probably give this wax a 4.7. This video, by the way, was not sponsored. I just bought the wax by myself and decided to go ahead and do a review on it and see how it measured up compared to store-bought waxes and stuff like that, since this wax is supposedly specially formulated to be better. But yeah, I enjoyed the wax, and I will leave any information that you guys might need about the wax and where I saw it and everything like that down in the description box below. That's my review. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.